Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 16070 A30 fifth wheel hitch for the GM Puck system. To begin, locate the handle assembly and the hardware pack. Then insert the latch spring into the slot on the handle mount bar and slide the handle into place. Next, carefully and gently pull back on the handle assembly to compress the latch spring and insert an M8 cap screw with lock washer into position behind the latch spring. Pull the handle assembly further back until you can insert another M8 cap screw and lock washer into position. Now you may slide the latch plate into position and secure it into place by threading the M8 cap screws into the plate's tapped holes. Evenly draw the latch plate up to the handle. Do not over-tighten the M8 screws. Confirm the handle assembly slides freely over the handle mount. And we recommend removing the head of the fifth wheel for ease of assembly and installation. Do this by removing the safety pin, pull out the center pivot pin, and then pull up to remove the head. Next, prepare to properly install the fifth wheel legs. First, remove the safety pin that secures the lock handles. Remove all 4 cotter pins securing the castle nuts. Now loosen the castle nuts until there's a minimum of an 1/8 inch clearance between the lock bolt and the bottom surface of the puck. The A30 features a height adjustment of 13 inches to 17 inches. Calculate the right height for your towing setup by following the easy guide included with the A30. This is crucial for safety and proper coupling. Once you've calculated the right height for the fifth wheel, assemble the legs loosely to the fifth wheel main body weldment using the M14 hardware provided. Move the hitch into position, unlock all of the lock handles, and seat the locking bolts into the factory fifth wheel attachment points. Torque the leg hardware to the fifth wheel main body weldment to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Next, you will need to adjust the castle nut tension. Do this by tightening the castle nut until the locking bolt is snug, but not too tight. The handle should close with moderate pressure only. With all castle nuts properly adjusted, reinstall the cotter pins and close all 4 locking handles and secure them with the provided safety pins. Reinstall the head of the fifth wheel and secure it with the center pivot pin and safety pin. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled and installed the CURT 16070 fifth wheel hitch. You must read and fully understand the included user guide before you tow. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.